Welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about the Freedom in 365 movement and why this program is a great program to get started with when making money online. Before we get into the video, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below anything you want to comment below about the video, questions, just anything, and share this with a friend. But to get into this business, this program, Freedom in 365, is it's course driven, affiliate marketing, as well as financial education mindset. It's geared towards a lot of things, but pretty much it's heavily course based. So they have a pro membership, which is $14.99 a month, very inexpensive, and this is going to unlock a few courses, a blog, WordPress, so you can create websites on this WordPress, a funnel builder. It's not I won't say it's the top of the line funnel builders, but it gets the job done. You're going to have pre-done for you funnels. You're going to have access to the discounted traffic. The discounted travel portal. So you're going to be able to book hotels, flights, etc. at a discount rate. You're going to have the Freedom Cycler, which we're going to talk about. You're going to have the Instant Savings Clubs, which is already included. We're going to click over so you can see some of these things. For the pro membership, you're going to have a WordPress site, funnel builder, like I said. You're going to have access. This is free, but you're going to have access to the social media. They have their own social media. And you're going to have an SEO course, like I said, funnel building course. And they have some things that are already unlocked. And you're going to be able to earn 40% off of each and every one of these courses. So someone can come in Freedom of 365 and not do the business that I'm going to speak on and just buy these courses. If they buy these courses from, signing up with you and you're a pro member, you're going to get 40% off of these courses. You see the price varies. So that's one way to get paid with Freedom in 365 and one way to offer it. You can either offer it just as, a course driven program, so you can just start talking about these specific courses, and if you click on them, they break down exactly what's going to come in these courses. I'll let you read for a little bit. So this is focusing on wholesaling houses, learning about real estate, and it's going to show you pretty much who you're going to be learning from. And the list goes on. Like I said, they have some other free things. Also, you can earn from this company with the Freedom Cycler. So each level that I'm going to show you, the Freedom Cycler, comes with a product. So this matrix is not just a matrix where you put money into. Each one of the levels unlocks a product. You see right here, one time you can either buy it for $11 or to unlock with the middle school matrix, the freshman matrix, so you can buy it, the sophomore matrix. You can get this in a senior cycler, so you can get some of these big products in the matrix, which is a big thing for those who want access to these but want to work their way up to them. You see the college cycler, the bachelor, so you're getting some of the key products, the junior, and it stops there. The rest of them you have to purchase. So someone might want this Forex code, business in a box, that's inexpensive, or real estate. These ones you got to purchase outright, but you get a lot of the main ship courses. So if we get to the cycler is pretty simple. It's a 2x4. You have access to this button, which if you turn it on, it just works. It pretty much activates the spillover. So for example, your signups, when you cycle a matrix and keep referring people to that matrix, they're going to fall under your reps. You can turn this off and then your signups just only follow you, but we're trying to build a team, so this is the whole point of a matrix. So as you see, there's different prices of the matrix, and like I said, they come with products at each level. How it's going to work is it's going to be one-time payment, so you're going to pay your $14.99 to get into the pro and to get all those benefits I told you, and that's going to give you access to this. So then you can come in here and start wherever you want to start. So the goal is to start at the $10 matrix, and how it works is the first two fall in your sponsors, so it's pretty much like a pass up thing, so to say, and the next four are what you're getting paid for. So from this $10 matrix, you're going to get paid 10, 20, 30, and 40. But what happens with this last spot is it reactivates your matrix. So you don't I'm not sure if this is a manual process, but usually you know, that's what happens. You know, you usually have to buy into that matrix again. Well, this is going to do it automatically because you want to keep this open, because a lot of people are going to start here. So I'm not sure if it's optional if you doing that or if it's an automatic thing yet. I haven't cycled with these new updates, so I'll bring that to you. But just say it's automatic, it's going to automatically do it. And say it's not automatic, well then you don't have to upgrade and you can just go to the next level. But just notice all your $10 referrals are just going to fall throughout the company under your members. So what's geared to happen is, you know, I told you on that pay line, out of this $10 matrix, you're going to make 40 bucks. 10 of that's going to go to reactivating this matrix. So that's going to leave you with a $30 profit. What's the cost of the next one? 25. So you usually will take 25 out of that $30 profit and go up, and then you're going to earn. And then when you get to this matrix, you're going to earn a $25 profit. If you choose to, you know, upgrade to the next matrix, it's going to be a $25 product. It's going to be a $25 profit because, like I told you, that fourth sale on your pay line always reactivates. So you're going to earn 25 times 3. But if you take 50 out of that, you're going to have a $25 profit. So it takes a little bit to profit, because that third matrix, you're going to earn 150 in profit, 300, then 750, then 1500, then 3000, and 7500. But the moral of the story is, what's going to happen is these matrices are going to start reactivating themselves. You're going to have people falling down on your matrix from my sponsor or your sponsor, which is me, of course. You're going to have, once you start moving to the right, you're still going to have all these matrices still over. So eventually this thing is going to run on autopilot, and it only costs you $10. That's why the profit's low, because you can come in and come out of pocket and just start already, you know what I mean? But the whole point is to come out of this thing and have some compound, you know, interest in a way. This is a different type of pay structure, but it's more smooth. Well, I should say more simple when it comes to bringing people in, because the price point's low. You know, if you want to go, you know, I have programs that you earn, you know, 100 or 80% commission, or they have residuals, but you got to realize those are more, not complicated, but they take more effort to recruit people at those price points. This is a $15 pro membership and a $10 activation into the cycler program one time, and the pro membership is residual. So you got to realize that's way affordable for most people. So you should be able, I know a hard, you know, should be able to, you know, bring more people into this program that feel comfortable, that can afford it. They feel good telling their friends about it. So this thing should really never stop. These things do take some time to start up, just because a lot of people have been around the industry. A lot of people have seen these matrices, and they're just not as, they don't move on them as quick. But, you know, the average person will move on it, and just getting people to understand the value. Like I said, you're going to get a blog. The blog alone, you know, if you want a blogging platform alone, that's worth $14.99. You're going to get discounted travel, just, you know, if you want to dabble into that. You're going to get the Instant Savings Club, which you're going to be able to shop, get cash back on. You're going to have some products open. When you come in here and activate the first matrix, you're going to have this training open, which is getting out the money game matrix. So pretty much how to start getting out of that 9-to-5 mindset. A lot of people love this product, especially those who haven't been in this industry, or they don't know what it takes to, you know, be in business. You're going to get a 10% discount off of the merch. And here's pretty much the front page. You want to start at the welcome video, the fast start training. You want to start here. Then it's going to take you to the how-tos. Once you activate your pro membership, it's going to take you to the how-tos, etc., because you want to come in this under my account, and you want to set up your payment processes. So if you want to get paid Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, Chime, whatever it is, processor that's able to receive money, and I would use those that can receive money from anywhere. So you can have some that takes credit cards like Stripe, something that people could send you. Most people have Cash App, Zelle, even some people have Bitcoin. So if you want to put your Bitcoin wallet on here, and that's where everything starts, you know. So you have some products and services, and we have some, let's go under my tools. We have a lot of stuff, banners, lead magnet scripts, how to, start talking to people, what to say. We have some paid traffic sources if you want to come get some results now. Take your funnel link, and come over here to something like Udemy, and then create an account, and then you can come back here and put your affiliate link when you create an account. So for example, if you come buy traffic through Udemy, it's going to be through my affiliate link. And we have another cool, we have some stuff right here, but we have another cool thing. Let me find it. It's called a traffic. Well, most people know the traffic exchanges, but you can come put your websites back here. And every time you get a spot in the matrix, you're going to get credits. You can come here and do a daily spin. It's going to give you credits. Surfing is going to give you credits, like a traffic exchange, and people within Freedom 365 can see your businesses. I'm actually going to put a new link in here in a second. You can come in here and surf. I think I did just surf, but it'll show everyone who has credits, just like a Hercules, etc. So you have that option back here as well. And like I said, you have a lot of training to get you started, because most of it doesn't matter how much training you have. Because I have programs, you can go to through my YouTube. I have programs that do top notch of the line training. But the moral is, being consistent, being active, and pretty much just going through the numbers. Yes, there's some strategies to making videos, some strategies to posting on Facebook, but you can know all the strategies in the world. You can know how to post TikTok, short videos, TikToks, Reels in general, but sometimes it's not gonna take off just with those methods. You gotta be consistent. You gotta post 3 to 5 Reels a day, 2 YouTube videos a day if you want to do YouTube, or post on Facebook, change your page around, and just be active and be a business owner. Not just a person who wants to make some money. Be a business owner, meaning have a brand. Put motivation on your wall. Get that mindset of being a business owner. So it doesn't matter how many tools that you have to make money online. You gotta have that mindset, and that's the biggest thing I've noticed. I have every tool, software, program you can imagine. It's not about just a website. It's not just about the different tools and hacks and strategies. It's about, can you touch people? Can you solve a problem? And can you get people to really see the vision? At the end of the day, can you get people? Because you could talk to 500 people today, and yes, it's they'll say 15% or lower are gonna actually probably get started or see your offer. But in reality, if you really focus on touching people and getting people to see the vision, it's just like if you come to a kiosk that you like in the mall. If you really see value in that product and have the money, you're gonna get it. So I feel like you can convert way higher if you can just give value and get people to see this. This matrix is so powerful for me, and the reason why I couldn't wait till this company revamped and came back is because this is a way to earn income without just having to recruit on your own. For example, in this matrix, I really want to get to, and I really want to help my people get to. But if I'm an overachiever, maybe this week I bring in 25 people and I help my people get paid. Or my sponsor helps me get paid if I'm having an off week. That's what I like, because a lot of people don't like this industry, don't want to make money online, because that is their biggest fear. Losing money, or just not feeling that they're ever getting to a place where they can bring in their own people. Because yes, there's so many ways to reach people in the make money online world, but the problem is getting to people, getting in enough people's faces, or getting enough traffic to make money online. And that's the power of the matrix. And I love the fact that these matrices come with products, and it's set up with courses. That's the main outlook, is the courses, the knowledge, the financial education, and you have tools built in. You have an autoresponder built in. Most of these capture pages come where you can fill in the number, so you can if you want, but you don't have to. But what happens is the system will message those people as well. So I don't want to show you the context because I hate showing people information, but you can go to your CRM and you can message. They're already going to have a text message and email system sent to them, but you can further contact them through email through the system. It's amazing CRM. it's a lot more updates to come. But I'm gonna end this video on Freedom in 365 movement. If you're someone who can afford $14.99 a month and a $10 entry to the Matrix, you can get started in business today and possibly start earning today. It all depends on the momentum. Like I said, I could bring in 80 people today, and you're gonna benefit from that. So it's all about getting in at the right spot. To come back to the Freedom Cycler, if we click here, or for example, every time you click a spot, it's gonna hold that spot for you. So it's showing who I will have to pay. This is how it's gonna look. It's gonna show their different ways. See, this person has Bitcoin. It's showing you have 15 minutes to lock in this spot. You see they have people on their Matrix. And this is where you will fall. This is either going to be you or someone that's actively, well, it should be you because you have the spot marked open, but this red dot is going to be you and where you're going to fall out on these people, this person's Matrix. So you have 15 minutes to, confirm and get the money to them. And once you get the money to them, if it's not like a payment, I think if credit card might be a little different because some people have like Stripe and stuff. But most of these, you have to send the money. You have to confirm it, send the money, and then put the confirmation transaction number or however you paid, and submit it on here so you can confirm that you paid, and they know where you paid and what the transaction number is, and this is their contact information. So you can tell them, hey, I paid for the Matrix. I just need you to approve me, because they have to manually approve just so they know they got the money and everything went through. You can extend the time if you want, but it's going to hold that spot is pretty much what I'm saying, which is cool. And this is how it's going to look. So you just make sure you're able, whichever one you pick, make sure you have that. If you have, they're doing PayPal right here, it looks like, make sure you have a way to pay on PayPal. If they're doing Cash App, make sure you have a Cash App already, or you're going to get a Cash App. If you got Bitcoin, you know how that goes as well. And you can have a whole bunch of different ones here, and that's how it's going to look. And they're going to accept you, and then yours is going to look like this. And when someone puts a confirmation in to join your Matrix, if it falls on your pay level, because if it's on your 2 pass ups, you're not going to see it. You're not going to see like anything you need to approve. But if it falls on your pay line, you're going to see to approve or to deny this person. You only deny them if they're not paying, if they didn't pay you, and it doesn't look like they're going to pay. But I'm going to end this video. It's kind of long. Thanks for watching my Freedom in 365 movement video. The link will be in the description below. It's a simple, fill out your name, email, and phone number if you like. It's optional. It's just so I can follow up, email, and phone, and you can opt out at any time. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.